Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your workspace if you want. For me, it's not really like a big deal, but I guess my workspace doesn't always reflect what I'm creating. But I normally just use a project display case kind of thing. You can get it from Dollar Tree for $1. And it's just like a little piece of cardboard that's folded into three and you can open it. It's kind of what people used to use for school projects. And then I use the same thing for the bottom, but I decided to upgrade a little bit. Super easy. And if you have your own YouTube channel, or if you want to upgrade something for what you sell on Etsy and have a beautiful display board, I'm going to show you how to make one. So if you want to add that to what you have, stay tuned and I'll show you what I use to get this look. For this project, I used these backsplashes, and as you can see on the back, they have a little bit of mesh, but you do have to attach them with glue. To attach them, I'm using E6000 glue, and then I used white paint to cover the wood. I purchased a 2x2 square of wood, and that is what I'm going to paint white. So that's going to be my first step. This is what the plywood looks like now that it's been painted white. So my next step is to add the backsplash. I'm going to definitely position it first just to get an idea of where I want to place it. And as you can see, and I pointed out before, on the back there's mesh. When I went in and explained to the person that I was buying this from what I was using this for, she said that jewelry glue, E6000 glue would be fine to secure it, because I'm not going to be walking on it or really using it. So I'm going to try that, but I'll let you know if it doesn't, work out after a couple of uses, but I think it'll be fine. So I'm just going to attach this to my board and show you what it looks like. And then I just wanted to show you really quickly. So this is what the tile looks like, or the backsplash looks like on the back, like I just showed you. But I wanted to make sure that I pointed out that for some of the pieces that you purchase, some of the pieces are going to be super solid and some are not, which is why the mesh is here. So you really need the mesh on here to make sure that it adheres to whatever you're trying to attach it to. For instance, this white glass piece, solid, this metal piece is not. And then you can also cut this if you want to fit some extra pieces on. So I'm going to add this last piece and show you the final results. So this is the final result. This is my new workspace. I love how it turned out. I think it's so cute. This wooden piece I did not attach because I want to be able to put this away and fold it easily. But I love the tiles. I think they're so pretty. I'm a little bit concerned about the crystals falling in through the cracks, so I'll just use a small plate when I'm using crystals on here. But I think this is a huge upgrade from what I was using, and I'll just put my latest creation there so you can see how it stacks up. But I loved making it. Super inexpensive. I paid I think $5 for the wood, and then for each of these tile pieces I paid, I think it was like $5. So this whole thing only cost $15, and it's something that I'll have for a long time. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.